what's going on, guys? Max here, and today I'm out here at the Sacramento River. I'm gonna be fishing with my my bosses and my colleague. Okay, they've never fished the Sacramento River before, so I'm just gonna show them a few spots. Okay, all right, stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be a good one. You're gonna have to go through a little bit of a jungle. Okay. There's another spot down here, but we're going over here. The one at the far end is my favorite spot. Enrique, you need help? No, I'm fine. You okay? Wait. We're almost there. We are almost there. Okay, watch your step. And we are here, guys. We made it. It's gonna be open. It's right where the water is. Okay, we are here. The only thing is we don't have chairs. So yeah, so this is a really good spot for a striper and catfish. Man, it's really windy today, huh? Yeah. I was hoping it's not so windy, because when it's windy, it's hard to fish.
Well, how come?
Because when you cast out there, you want your lure to be in a specific spot, right? But then it's windy, so then the water's moving your bait. Right. Okay. What happened?
No, he got a nibble.
You got a nibble? Oh, okay. Oh, I got a fish. Oh, look at that. I got a bass. I got a bass. See? Okay, I used a worm this time. Remember this worm right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, we did that at the lake the last time we went fishing together.
Fake worm?
Fake worm, yeah. So this is a little bass right here, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah. So there are fish here, guys. There are fish here. Oh, I got a fish on. Oh, really? Yeah, there you go. You hook him through the gill? See, look. There you go. I'm using this lure right here.
You hooked it through the gill.
No. If you look at it, it's in the mouth.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's in the mouth. See?
Oh yeah. Oh, from the side. Oh, from the bottom. Yeah. Oh,
See?
it came up on him. Yeah.
This one go.
Yeah.
There you go. See?
Nice.
I got another fish. I got it on the middle that you put it on there. I tied it on. That's too funny.
Your expert takes Max.
Okay. Fish number 3. All right. That's a beautiful fish, guys. Beautiful fish. Thanks for cleaning out the river for us, Bill.
No problem.
Did you try casting over here already? All right. Okay, let me get the weeds for you. Over here, he said, seaweed.
That was the worm?
No, that was a little bait fish.
Oh, it was a little bait fish.
I tied one right there on the cooler. Let this one go. Yeah, try it. Yeah. I put one right there just for you guys. All right. Yeah, another one, but it's just small. But a fish is a fish, guys. There we go. What's that? Number 6? Number 5, I think, huh? Yeah. Did I finally get him? Did I? Oh, okay. I think I finally got him this time. But it feels really small. Okay. Oh, what did we get? Is that a catfish? Oh, it is a catfish. Enrique, look, it's a catfish. Yeah, it's a catfish. It's a catfish. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. That's great. I'm gonna let it go. Okay.